Good day, everyone. My name is Mr. Adenobi. You are welcome to ENI English class. Today, we are going to do a review of one of our first topics in second term, which is the phrase. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that has a head word and forms a part of a clause or a sentence. I'll say that again. A phrase is a group of words that has a head word and forms a part of a clause or a sentence. Now, in that definition, there are three things to consider. The first is that a phrase is a group of words. If it is not a group of words, then it is not a phrase. The second is that it must have a head word. Every phrase must have a head word. As a matter of fact, it is the category, the part of speech with which the head word belongs to that we use to name the phrase. Now let me give you an example for you to understand it better. Now if I have the phrase, the woman in the room, you will understand that if I have to pick a head word in that phrase, it has to be the word woman, because the head word is that part of a phrase that when you remove, the rest might be meaningless. I'll say that again. The head word is the part of a phrase that when you remove, the rest might be meaningless. Now, if you remove the word woman in the phrase, the woman in the room, what you will have is the in the room, which is meaningless. So woman is the head word. Woman being a noun, it means the whole of that phrase is a noun phrase. Okay? Now let me give you another example. If you have the phrase, so good to see, so good to see, you will agree with me that if you remove the word good, what you have is so to see, which is not that meaningful. Okay? It means good there is the head word. And because the word good belongs to the category of adjective, we will name that phrase an adjective phrase or adjectival phrase. Okay? Let me also give you another one again. If we have the phrase must have been told to go, must have been told to go. Now, if we remove the word told, okay, what we have is must have been to go, which is not meaningful. It means told there is the head word. Okay, so if since told is the head word and told, the word told is a phrase. It means the whole of that. The word told is a verb rather. It means the whole of that phrase is a verb phrase. Now let me also add this to it. Any word or group of words that comes before the head word is a modifier, and any word or group of words that comes after it is a qualifier. For example, the woman in the room again. The will be the modifier. Woman will be the head word, while in the room will be the qualifier. So good to see. So will be the modifier. Good will be the head word. To see will be the qualifier. Lastly, in that definition, I also said that a phrase is a group of words that forms a part of a sentence or a clause. Now, let's pick the first phrase, which is the woman in the room. The woman in the room can be used in a sentence by saying, the woman in the room is actually my aunt. Okay? You can also use so good to see. You can say, it is so good to see you. Okay? So, in essence, what am I saying? What I'm saying is that you should always remember that a phrase is a group of words that has a head word and forms a part of a clause. It must be a group of words. It must have a head word and it must form a part of a sentence. Thank you for your time. I will see you very shortly. Bye now.